Today's term. Petrica. 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 Meaning: the earthy scent produced when rain falls on dry soil. Sentence: I love the smell of petrica after it rains. After a month-long dry spell, petrica was a welcome scent. Comment: have you ever stepped outside after rain and enjoyed the fresh smell of petrica? Say it smart, say it with idioms. Under the weather. Meaning: feeling sick or unwell. Sentence: I didn't go to work today because I was feeling under the weather. Comment: have you ever felt under the weather but still had to go to work or school? If you found this video informative, don't forget to share it with others. Support the channel by liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.